Okay, y'all, I'm gonna make some shrimp and some catfish fillets. I think I'm gonna just air fry them. Yeah, I think I'm gonna air fry them. I think I'm gonna make some French fries to go with it. Do like a little, you know, J&J's inspired meal. No, but let me unthaw this stuff and then I'm gonna season it and then let it just marinate for like an hour. Yeah. Doing a little, I guess,
cookie challenge
test or
no cookie challenge.
It's not a cookie challenge. We tasting these.
No, we having a challenge.
We having a
challenge.
We having a challenge.
We having a challenge with these.
We're tasting these Warheads sodas. I saw these in the grocery store, and I'm like, I tried the blue one already, so, and it was really sour. But anyways, we're gonna try the green one first. So
no, I want to try
the green one first. So we're just gonna try them. I wasn't pumped, but cover your mouth. Okay, y'all. So yeah, I just wanted to do this little video with forever. So I'm gonna open it.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, get your straw.
I don't want it.
Yeah.
Okay. Put it in. I want.
Okay.
It's not sour.
Yeah, you need to go get some tissue.
Let's do it.
Let me see.
No.
It's sour to me.
Not to me.
It's sour to me.
Well, it's mad if you don't
it's
like it.
It's green apple. Let me go get you some tissue for your nose. Huh? This is green apple. Hold on, let me tell them what this is. This was green apple soda, the Warhead one. Which one we gonna try next, Pop?
I want to try the blue one now. Pop.
She liked that, huh? Yeah. So we're gonna try the blue raspberry soda. Like I told you, I tried this one already, and it was really sour.
I want to try it next. What's yours in there? No, not mine. Yours. This will be yours. Let me try yours.
I'm talking about this.
What?
Okay, y'all. We tried the blue one.
Now.
I don't know if the camera got it because it cut out. But for now, well, so far, the blue one is my favorite.
Ava is good.
The green one, your favorite?
Let's try the yellow one.
Okay, we're gonna try. This one is sour lemon soda.
That's my next one. And it's mine.
Let me see. They're sour to me. They good, but they just sour.
Mine's good. Ooh.
That's sour. Okay, we're gonna try the black cherry next.
I'm trying to try all of them. They're good.
Black cherry next.
I'm gonna try it. After I let you know how it tastes, you can taste.
Okay.
It's good.
It's good.
It's not sour at all. We'll taste.
This one good.
We had the last one. I'm sure the cookies are done.
Okay. That one good, y'all. This one good.
Let me go see how the cookies are doing.
This is the last one. And this one is watermelon, sour watermelon soda.
Ooh.
Here, you want to try it first?
I'll let you know how it tastes, and then you can try it. Good.
It's good.
I like this
It's
one.
good. I don't really too much care about watermelon flavored stuff. So it's okay. So my favorite one so far is the sour blue raspberry one. I love this one. Like,
And my favorite is the
I would definitely
green apple.
I would definitely get this again.
Me too.
So yeah, and then this one.
And I would
Black
definitely
cherry
get
sauce.
this one again.
The green one, green apple. Okay. Okay, y'all, that's all for this little video. So I don't know.
We gotta show the cookies.
Oh, if I want to show y'all the cookies. I don't know if this is gonna be in
A holiday.
the vlog with another video. Whatever. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but y'all will be seeing it soon. So y'all know me and Forever have been
Tying my shoe and I did it.
Wait. You gotta do the full part. She just did it. I wish I was recording, y'all. I really wish I was recording when she first did it, because she did it. Wait, you gotta do the bass part first. Wait. Calm. Slow down.
Oh.
Remember, you gotta tie it first. Yep, there you go. There you go. Yeah, I really wish I was recording when she first did it. That's tie screw. I don't even know how to tie a shoe, y'all. She only 4. She just gotta take her time and not get you getting confused. Y'all, I wish I would have recorded it when she first did it, because she did it. Just gotta calm down. You got it. You got it. You got it.
This part? This part or this?
That one.
This?
Yep. Wait, nope. Y'all, she did it, y'all. Okay, just take your time.
Okay.
Y'all, I know I hate when it happens when you recording stuff. When you doing something and you do it right, then you try to record it and oh, she just said it, y'all. Like, I really, really wish I was recording when she first did it.
Okay, it's the final part. Okay.
Okay, now push this part. There you go, right there.
This way?
Right here. Y'all, she had it so perfect the first time.
See?
Yeah.
I
she
told
did it so perfect
y'all.
the first time.
I can do it.
Yeah, you can do it, baby.
I did it. I did it good, man.
She did.
I did it.
Baby.
I did good.
You did. You did do good.
This one's a little bit messed up.
That's okay. We can always practice and try again. So y'all, I bought some Ensure Plus because we ain't trying to lose weight. So we just worked so hard to gain, so I bought some more Insure Plus. Y'all know I love the chocolate. I like the strawberry as well, but they didn't have the chocolate, so we got strawberry. Put out on Amazon Fresh. Some unicorn cocoa. Forever said it's really, really good, so I got this for Forever. Y'all know I like getting little cute stuff for Forever. Yes, I did get it for you. She told me she got it for me. She got it for me. So yeah, she got this for her. So y'all ended up just eating some yogurt. This is one of my favorite yogurts. This is the best yogurt in the world. I love it so much. You want some, Forever? Stop. She plays too much. Yeah, this is Chobani Flip strawberry cheesecake yogurt. It's so good. One of my favorite yogurts. Like, you have to try it. If you have not tried it, you have to try it. It's so good. But this is what I'm eating for breakfast. Like I said, I don't really have an appetite, so yogurt it is. Maybe for lunch, I'll have a bigger appetite and I'll eat a big lunch. But if not, for lunch, I might just drink my Insure Plus. So I'll drink 2 of those. But yeah, I'm gonna eat my yogurt, and I did make some coffee.
But she didn't be eating water.
I need to be drinking water. Coffee and yogurt don't mix, but anyways, you're making good. I'm gonna eat my yogurt, y'all.
Hello, guys.
Forever said she want to say hey to y'all.
Hello.
What else you got to say?
That's it. Bye.
She's so cute. Look at her. Okay, y'all. For lunch we having chicken tenders. For lunch we having chicken tenders, and I'm making a chicken Caesar salad. Forever might just eat chicken tenders. You want a salad? Okay, y'all, there it is. I am 118 pounds. I lost 4 pounds. Oh my god, y'all, I'm gonna cry. Like, I'm gonna cry for it. I got my chicken Caesar salad. I put jalapenos in it, of course. Y'all know I gotta have my jalapenos on my salad. You got the rest of the chicken nuggets Forever's gonna eat. So yeah, this is my lunch. Yeah, I'm so upset that I lost 4 pounds. Like, my feelings are very hurt. But anyways, let me eat my salad. Why, Forever? Tell my mom, I gotta show you something. Why she come up in here? Why you play so much? Where you get that from? Now I am having Chipotle. I went and got me some Chipotle. Like, I really did not feel like cooking. Like, I really I got some chips. Got some guacamole. And got a burrito. A steak burrito. It seems like the burritos got smaller or something. Have it always been small? It got smaller. This package just seemed what short something. Yes, y'all. This one's so good. But yeah, I'm so mad. I lost 4 pounds, like 4 pounds. Like a month and a half. I'm gonna eat my food. I just wanted to complain to y'all about me lose some weight, but I drink my burrito. And y'all, I'm trying to go eat my food. You know? Try to gain this 4 pounds back. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, share my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you whenever. Yeah, peace.